respected audience, and my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum. Today, I got the opportunity to express my views about Independence Day. Honorable Chief Guest, in my view, the youth and kids of the present are not aware about the scenario behind Independence Day. Honorable Chief Guest, don't misunderstand my point. I don't want to criticize my young brothers, but I want them to realize that they should know the scenario behind Independence Day. Honorable Chief Guest, nowadays we think that Independence Day is just a national holiday. So, when we got independence on 14th of August 1947, there were great aims by the people who made sacrifices for the country. I had considered those aims. So, I would like to request the youth to change this perspective of thinking. They should not take Independence Day as a national holiday, but they should remember the sacrifices made by our forefathers. Honorable Chief Guest, I hope that all of us are grateful to Allah Almighty for the freedom we got in this day, for the free environment in which we live now. So, I will also request you to show your love for Pakistan on this great day by raising flags on your roofs. In the end, I will like to conclude with that today, the cause Pakistan is facing numerous challenges. We have forgotten how much struggle our forefather made in the dynamic leadership of Qaeda. So, we should remember the golden motto of our Qaeda, that is faith, unity, discipline. And by remembering his advice to you, now it is up to you to work, and you are bound to succeed.